So, tell me about where we sleep when we go camping.
In the tent.
That's right. Who sleeps in the tent?
All of us.
Who's that?
Owen and Daddy and Harriet and even Aldo.
Anybody else?
Uh-uh.
No? What about Mommy?
Yeah, Mommy too.
Yeah.
And what about my Roxy Dog and Scooby?
Yeah, those two.
Those two will miss me.
Well, you can bring them if you want.
Yeah.
Do you get a flashlight when you go camping?
Uh-huh.
Do we make a fire?
No.
Yeah, we could have a fire too.
Oh, yes. Not a real not a fire on the ground.
Yeah, fire on the ground.
No smoking.
Yeah.
I meant no smoking.
Are you excited to go camping?
Uh-huh.